Now we are having another one which says log, not log, but we're going to apply log somewhere. We are having 2x minus 1 is equals to 3x plus 2. Having something like this. So how do we solve this? Now step 1, write the equation clearly. Write the equation clearly. We are having 2x minus 1 is equals to 3x plus 2. Number 2, we say step number 2, apply log. So how do you apply log in this situation? We say log 2x minus 1 is equals to log 32 log 3 x plus 2. Okay, so how do we solve this? We apply the logarithm exponent rules. Logarithm exponent rule says, in this manner, log BA is equals to A log B. Log BA, log AB is equals to log AB, log B. So how do we use this? We say 2x minus 1 brackets log 5 is equals to x plus 2 log 3. So let's solve this step by step. Let's solve. Now what we should distribute logs. In this situation, we distribute logs. How do we distribute logs? We say 2x log 5 minus log 5 multiply by this, multiply by this, multiply by this, multiply by this. We're having something like this. We will have is equals to x log 3 plus 2 log 3. So what do we see here? We say we group like items. So in this, we group like items. What do we say? What is like items? This is like item number 1. And let me use marker for this. Like items. So like items. So how do we solve this? Let's solve this. We are going to say 2x log 5, 2x log 5 minus x log 3 is equals to 2 log 3 plus log 5. So what does it say? Factor out x in this. We'll say x 2 log 5 minus log 3 is equals to log 5 plus 2 log 3. 2 log 3, sorry for that, 2 log 3, something like this, sorry for that. And then step number 4, we solve for x. We divide the whole thing, both part by this. We are going to be left with x is equals to log 5 plus log 5 plus 2 log 3 all divided by 2 log 5 minus log 3. Okay, so what is the answer? X is equals to log 5 is equivalent to 0.6990, while log 3 is equals to 0.4771. So in this manner, let's fast forward this. X is equals to 1.796. Final answer is this. This is our final answer. So I want us to check if this is equivalent to that. All right, how do we check that? How do we check if they are equivalent to each other? Now, we are going to verify after. Let's verify. 5, 2x minus 1 is equals to 3x plus 2. Let's verify. Now, our answer is, let's verify if both sides are 1.796. X is equals to, now 5, 2, 1.796 minus 1 is equals to 3. 3, whereby our 1.796 plus 2, this and this. Now our left side is equals to 52.592. Our right side is equals to 3.3796. So in conclusion, left hand side is equals to right hand side, which is equivalent to 64, thus 5 to x minus 1 is equivalent to, or is equals to 2x plus 2. Thank you.